Kilode, or that means what's up in my language. Welcome back to another episode of Breaking Barriers of Life, because if you read the title of the video, I will be attempting to make my entire breakfast in a toaster. So on the menu, we have eggs, bacon, sausage, that double protein, and toast. Toaster is just basically like a really lower powered device that's often overlooked in the kitchen. So why don't I try and make breakfast in it? So I'm gonna attempt to see if the stuff is edible before I eat it, and we're gonna try and make each item. So let's get started. I'm trying to think of the smartest way to cook eggs in a toaster, but I'm thinking of making an aluminum foil like house. Crumple it up, because it has to be able to fit in the toaster. Do a little crack into the thing. Okay, that went pretty decent. Dude, are you okay, I did not screw that up. Alright, now we're just gonna cover it. Shouldn't spill out. Alright, it's completely covered. Alright. You gotta make sure it's like completely covered, because when you put it in the toaster, it's like sideways. So third layer, just to make sure no kid gets left behind. Boom, third layer. This is an egg, but it's built like a pancake, so it might actually work in the toaster. So now I'm saying, now we're gonna take our toaster, crank this buddy up to the highest setting it can go. Let's see, that's a solid 8 or 7, I don't know, but we're gonna put it on warm or whatever. Now we're gonna stick our egg in the toaster. Oh god, it doesn't fit. Hold on. Bruh, hold on. Bruh. Oh my good. Okay, the egg is coming out. This is not good.